I truly hope I'm not boring you with this metaphysical information, man. And I know this is real basic stuff, but it's sometimes we have to go back to the beginning. So so please be patient with me as we go through kindergarten. But in the last video, I spoke about how you may be into a store, and if you may drop something, may fall off the shelf, and then you catch it. You didn't even think anything about it. The subconscious mind just sent the signal to your nervous system. Your nervous system reacted, triggered your muscles, and then you just went and you grabbed the thing. Now, this is what happens when someone is in the flow state. Now, let me tell you an old story that many of us old school guys who were fans of Michael Jordan, this is something that we know. This is something that they taught us. They originally taught us that during the jump man position, that the symbol that's on the side of the Jordan shoe, his logo, they said that he jumped up for the slam. They said that as he was going up, his body leveled out for a second. And instead of his body coming back down, his body went back up some more. And they were putting computers on this thing, and they were trying to figure out why he did that. See, now it goes back to what I was saying. I was saying that the subconscious mind is the link to the universe, and it can manipulate it can manipulate anything in existence, all the subatomic particles. Because he made himself fly. That's basically what I'm getting at. He manipulated gravity. Gravity is a something. It is a mathematical equation which makes up gravity. There is a something within gravity for it to work. It is a wave. Although you may not see it, it exists. Like I said, spirit is the vibration that things put off in the seen or in the unseen world. Now, this happens during the flow, when you get caught in the flow state, like a baseball player. Now, the baseball player, he's hot, and he's cracking that ball every doggone time, no matter what that pitcher is throwing. That baseball player, he's hitting it, but he's in a zone. He's not talking to everybody. He's not doing the high five. He's staying in that zone, and he gets up there, and then boom, the ball is coming in slow motion to him, but everyone else is witnessing it in real time, in fast time. But you, within your electromagnetic field and your manipulation within your space, you slow down time, literally. You see the ball coming slow. You could damn near see the doggone threads on the ball. And then crack. If you've ever been into a car accident and it happens real fast, you just get hit out of nowhere. Bam. But in the middle, while you're in the car accident, you will see that bottle of pills or whatever floating across like this here in slow motion. You will see everything coming in slow. Things change. You change time. This is why they show this in movies all the time when somebody's in a car and is rolling over and they show everything moving in slow motion, because that's what happens. You have the ability to do this. You, in your natural state of being, you are a supernatural being. I hope that sounds right. You are a supernatural being. You are a God. You have the ability to manipulate time and space. So there's no need of me trying to convince you of this, because I just told you exactly what you are doing. You are God. You may say, well, if I am God, why is my life so messed up? Why don't I have all the perfect things I want? The reason why you don't have all the perfect things you want is because you have all the things that you created so far. As you manipulate your mind and you change your mind, you see what I'm saying? When you change your mind, you change what matters in your life. You manipulate your own matter. You manipulate your own existence. But man, believe me, you are supernatural beings. And that flow state, it happens to you on the pool table. It happens to you when you're writing. This is you. Stop letting people tell you that you're nothing other than this mere mortal. You are not part of the doggone human God project. You are the God. Peace and blessings, y'all. I ain't done with you yet.